In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive storage full. If OneDrive is warning that your storage is full and uploads are blocked, you have two clear ways to resolve it. Buy more storage or free up space by deleting large files. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose what works best right now. Start by opening OneDrive in your browser and going to the My Files page. This is your main hub for managing documents and storage. On this page, look for your look for the Buy Storage option. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it along the left-hand navigation panel or up in the upper right area near your account controls. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the navigation or reducing your zoom a bit, since the menu can collapse on smaller screens. When you find it, select Buy Storage. You'll be taken to Microsoft's storage options with different capacities and prices. Choose the plan that fits your needs and click Buy Plan to proceed through checkout. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the upgrade applies where you expect, and take a moment to confirm the storage amount and billing frequency that suit you. After the purchase completes, your available space updates automatically across devices. If the page still shows the old limit, give it a moment or refresh and your syncs should resume. If you prefer not to upgrade, you can reclaim space by removing files you no longer need. Back on the My Files page, focus on the biggest items first to make the fastest impact. You can open a folder such as a sample or example files folder if you have one, or browse to any location where you keep large videos, archives, or installers. Use the size column to spot the largest items quickly. Select the files you don't need, hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple at once, then click Delete. Confirm when prompted. OneDrive will remove those items from your cloud storage, making room for new uploads. If any file might be important later, download a copy to your computer before deleting so you keep a local backup. Also, take a quick look at shared locations you own. Removing large items there can reclaim your quota as well. That's it. You can instantly expand your space by purchasing a plan or free up capacity by deleting unnecessary oversized files. Pick the option that gets you unstuck fastest, and that storage full alert should clear within minutes so you can get back to syncing and sharing without interruptions.